You know, it's a great day to come to Summerville Baptist because we are having our musical celebration of the season, Sounds of Christmas, this afternoon at 3 o'clock and 5:30. Both presentations are free. You're welcome to bring your family. There's no tickets that you have to buy or anything. So just come and be a part of the celebration with us as we celebrate Jesus, the reason for the season, through all kinds of different musical things. We're going to have a full orchestra with so many instruments. You can't wait to hear all of them. And we're going to have a choir with beautiful voices that you'll love hearing sing truth of God's Word. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. And shepherds quaking all night divine. So we'll see you here this afternoon because after all, the only thing missing is you. So come and be a part of Sounds of Christmas today at 3 and 5:30 p.m.